The mysteries of 3, 6, and 9. Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to take a look at the mysteries behind the numbers 3, 6, and 9. These are the special numbers that the great inventor Nikola Tesla spent his entire life researching and studying. Nikola Tesla was a genius with many great inventions, including the alternating current system, the neon light, and radio waves. He was also a man of many unique beliefs, including the belief that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 have a special significance in the universe. Tesla believed that these numbers were the key to understanding the secrets of nature, energy, and vibration. He said that if one could comprehend the patterns and harmonies of these numbers, one would understand the world and its mysteries. Tesla demonstrated his fascination with these numbers in many of his daily habits. He often walked around a building 3 times before entering, preferred to stay in hotel rooms with numbers divisible by 3, and would often calculate the cubic volume of his food before eating. Some people believe that Tesla was obsessed or superstitious, but others see him as a genius with a deeper understanding of the cosmic order. Look at this: doubling 1 we get 2, doubling 2 or 4, doubling 4 for 8, doubling 8 for 16, a total of 16 is 7, doubling 7 for 14, a total of 14 is 5, doubling 5 for 10, a total of 10. We return to number 1, and this pattern repeats endlessly, without the appearance of the number 3, 6, 9. Interestingly, when doubling 3 we get 6, when doubling 6, we get 12. The sum of 12 is again 3. These two numbers complement each other. Only 9 is the highest independent number. Tesla said that these 3 numbers are in a higher dimension that controls the 3 dimension. So if you're curious about the mysteries behind the numbers 3, 6, and 9, why not embark on your own Tesla-inspired adventure? Here are a few ideas. Walk around a building 3 times before entering it. See if you notice anything different about the way you feel after completing your ritual. Stay in a hotel room with a number divisible by 3. Do you have more vivid dreams or experience any other unusual phenomena? Calculate the cubic volume of your food before eating it. Does this practice change the way you savor your meals? You can also explore Tesla's other ideas and theories. For example, he believed that the Earth was a giant electrical conductor and that we could harness its energy for free. He also experimented with the transmission of wireless energy and developed a system that he called teleforce. Tesla was a true visionary, and his work continues to inspire people around the world. So go ahead and experiment with his ideas. You never know what you might discover. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for updates on my latest videos.